Hey guys, over here. How you doing, guys? My name's Egnoto. This is my YouTube channel. So please, join me every week to see nature-related videos. Got all sorts of things. Videos about birds, rabbits, squirrels, deer. A lot of herpetology videos. That means videos about frogs, turtles, snakes, salamanders, all those cool little guys. And I also have a lot of insect videos. I love insects because you don't have to go far to find them. If you give me a chance, I might get you to like them too, if you don't already. Now, there are a lot of things I really love in this world. One of them, obviously, is nature. I really like nature. But what I love most above everything else is people. I really love people. I love connecting with them. I love inspiring them and being inspired by them, which happens every day, by the way. And I like sharing experiences and stories with them. I mean, I just really like people. I love to help them and talk to them and connect with them. And, well, once again, I'm Egnoto. Hope you enjoy my videos. Come along for the walk, guys. Hope you enjoy. Come on. Seems like a good morning.
Check out this awesome caterpillar, guys.